Don't run.
Listen to me.
Get on the ground. I will shoot you.
Shoot me.
I will shoot you.
Shoot me.
Don't fucking bite me. Don't fucking bite me.
I gotta grab.
I got a gun too. I got a gun too. Stay the f down.
Don't move.
Stay the f down. All right. I'm gonna stand up, okay? You try anything stupid, you'll land on your face. It's not gonna be my fault. Stand up.
On June 12th, 2025, Illinois law enforcement officers attempted to contact a man over an outstanding traffic-related warrant. What should have been a straightforward encounter quickly spiraled out of control when the suspect suddenly fled on foot. Bodycam footage captures the chaotic moments that followed as officers pursued him through the area and struggled to take him into custody after he refused to comply with repeated commands.
Don't run. Don't run. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. I'm gonna test you again.
Listen to me.
139.
Who are you?
I'm out with Faruqi. He's being tased.
Listen to me.
Get on the ground.
Stop it. Location.
His residence. Stop.
Listen to me.
Stop.
Listen to me.
Get on the ground.
No.
Get on the ground.
No.
Get on the ground.
No. Get away.
He's fighting.
Get away from me.
You just got more charges.
Get away from me. Get away from me. I'm gonna kill you.
He's fighting. He's fighting.
Get away.
He's fighting.
Get away from me.
Don't do anything stupid. I will shoot you.
Shoot me.
I will shoot you.
Shoot me.
I will shoot you. I will shoot you.
I don't care.
You speak on more charges.
Listen to me.
Don't stop. Stop. Stop.
No. No.
He's fighting. Front door. Stop. Stop.
No. No.
By the front door. Yes. Continue to fight it. Stop.
Get away from me.
I'm not. Dude, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. More people are coming. You're going to jail. Don't fucking bite me. Don't fucking bite me. Don't fucking bite me, I said. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop. Stop.
No.
You're going to jail.
No.
Okay?
No.
Don't bite me. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Fucking stop.
I gotta grab.
I gotta go too. I gotta go too. You wanna go for it? Fighting. I will f***ing shoot you, Faruqi. He's trying to go for my gun.
Subject went for your gun.
Here you go. Here you go. It's stop. 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 No, stop. Stop.
Sounds like we're in the front door. 10-4 in the front door.
Look out, get your hand.
Give us your hand.
Down. Give me your hand.
He's in custody. Everybody can slow down. 439, he's in custody. Everybody slow down. Send the EMS to check him out. Conscious breathing.
Restart medics. You good?
I'm good.
139, I copy. Subject in custody. Incoming units can take a slow down. Truck, I'm going through truck again.
Check on him. He was tased ×3. He might have some scuffs. Conscious breathing.
Relax. Get on your side. Don't get up. Lay like that. Don't move.
Yeah.
Don't move. Keep your feet down. Don't move. Don't move.
When I get up, I'll get up.
No, you're not getting up.
Why?
Stay there.
You just tried to go for my gun.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
The f you want? I got you on camera. Yeah. You're f***ing dumb, buddy. Stay the f down.
Don't move.
Stay the f down.
Let me get down.
You are in no position to ask for anything. All right? You f***ed up. It was a simple traffic violation.
Well, what do you want?
I don't give a f anymore. I'm done talking to you.
Let me get up.
No.
No.
Can I get away?
No. So I was driving by. He was outside with
Stop, dude.
with the
Relax.
the
We're
guy,
having
the
an
worker.
ambulance check you out.
He saw the truck
Relax.
run in, so that's why I parked the f over there and then I walked.
Well,
I walked back.
See you with all this stuff
I know.
here, so-
I know.
No, man, we're good. I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah, okay. You by yourself, huh?
I was just driving by.
I know.
I figured let's see what's up. You know?
Relax. Don't get up. Relax. Relax.
That was the longest. What? A minute? Minute and a half? Dude, I texted him three times.
Let me sit.
No, shut up.
Let me sit, please. Let me just sit. Let me just sit down.
You are sitting down.
No, I'm lying down. Can you sit? Let me sit me down. Just sit me down, please.
Relax.
I can't breathe. I swear I can't. I can't breathe, man.
Yes, you can. I'm
Cannot
seeing you.
breathe. I'm not breathing.
Well, we got medics coming to check you out, okay?
Please, let me sit up.
Just right here. You're not going anywhere. Right there.
If you try to get up,
Right
you're going
there.
back down. Okay. I'm
You
not trying
stay
to
right there.
Okay. Do not try to stand up.
What's up?
What is this all about, man? What's this all about?
Come on.
You know what it's about.
I don't know what it's all about.
You
What's
know
it
you
about?
have warrants.
For what?
You know you have warrants. Because I was in your garage the other day when you slammed the door on us.
You keep running from us. That's
we,
why.
We yelled at you that you have warrants and you're under arrest. You know you
I
have
don't know
warrants.
anything about it, man.
You know that you do.
I don't know anything about it.
Okay.
No, it doesn't matter now. It's over with. So.
They're traffic warrants. Like, what the hell is wrong?
Yeah, but he doesn't stop driving.
Yeah.
Somebody keeps giving him cars.
I don't drive.
You're a liar.
I don't drive.
Hey, bud. Can we check your vitals?
Yeah, bleeding from my feet.
You're bleeding from your feet, knees? Okay.
He was tased.
I think so. Just tase him, right? 3 times?
You have any drugs or alcohol today? Nope.
Sure looks like it. He must be on some shit.
He's just always this way.
As far as you guys can tell, he's clear to go? Good to go? Or?
He's calling the hospital. We sent it to them too. So
Oh.
just make sure the doc says go.
Did you say he's going to call or he has to go?
He's already in the ambulance.
Oh, okay,
Waiting for the
gotcha.
doc.
Okay, cool.
Some of that happened out here.
Yeah, started right there on the driveway.
We'll
And then,
take photos and then we have his slides for him.
yeah, thank you. All right, we're going to stand up, okay? You try anything stupid, you'll land on your face. It's not going to be my fault. Stand up.
Can you give me my...
No.
No.
Why? Why? Can you give me...
Walk.
You don't cooperate.
I do. Come on. You do not cooperate.
Hey, leave those there, we'll grab them. Leave them there, we'll grab them.
Thanks. I'm good, bro. No, they got the taser, the cartridge. They're taking pictures. I'm gonna screen some good charges. Hopefully, I get them. So I came by, saw the truck. This truck right here. I see him standing right by where the other officers are. He sees my car and he starts walking towards his house. Then I continue driving, parked down the street, and I walked along the houses till I made it to his garage. He's standing there, pop up. I said, "Don't run, you're gonna get tased." He goes, "No." He starts running, takes him once, falls to the ground, gets up, comes up. Yeah, if you don't mind, yeah. Yeah, so. And then he tried to go for my gun.
I was at 25 and 9.
He tried disarming Gustafson and stuff like that last time.
He went for my taser.
Did he?
Yeah, 100%. He went for my taser. Once we were on the ground, he tried to go for my gun.
I would say times 2 then.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna screen all that.
What is it all about, man? What is it all about?
You have warrants. Traffic warrants.
Traffic or what?
I don't know what to tell you, man. Talk to your lawyer.
I don't know anything about this. I don't know why you came after me. I got scared. I gotta go.
Oh, okay. Listen, Faruqi, I'm gonna do you a favor. I'm not gonna talk to you, okay? Because you're under arrest, okay? So You better not. You better stop talking, man, for your own good.
You drive around here all the time?
Listen, man. Stop playing dumb, okay? We're done.
not playing dumb.
We're done talking, dude. We're done talking. I'm done talking to you. Well, you were checked by the medics. The medics say you're okay, so you're going to jail.
But this is the hospital, right?
No, we're going to the jail.
Why? It hurts me, man. My brain hurts. How do you recognize me?
What do you mean? Because I arrested you before. You and I fought before.
You arrested me?
Yes.
What?
That night when we fought behind your backyard at night. You got dropped off by the white truck, remember? Yeah, that was me. Nice to see you again. I already know you. What do you think? I'm just going around picking random people to arrest? You did it to yourself, Faruqi. You're a grown man. You're an adult, okay? You're not a child. You're not a young guy that's, making mistakes because you don't have experience. Come on. You have life experience. You have common sense. You did it to yourself, brother. I didn't do anything. So listen, Faruqi. When we go in here, don't act a fool, okay? Stop fighting. Just behave, man, okay? Because you don't want any more charges, okay? It's done. It is what it is. Deal with the judge. Deal with it, okay? I know.
Yeah, I was moving.
I know. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to. Like I said, I wasn't planning on anything because he always. Hold on. You got the seatbelt on. Hey, remember what I told you? Okay, just be cool. Don't fight
Okay,
anymore.
no,
Okay,
I'm not
we're
fighting
done.
anymore.
Okay.
Why did you let me have my slippers, man?
What?
I got no slippers.
Oh, I got him right here. Hold on. I'll get him for you. I think I locked it, bro. Here. I got gloves. I'll touch him. You don't have to touch him with my bare hands.
I was gonna throw them in the trash because they're Patriots ones.
Yeah.
This Bears country.
Can you put my shirt back on?
Yep. All right. Come on. Take your time.
My head hurts.
I know, dude. I told you shouldn't have fought. The ambulance checked you out. They said you were okay. I'm gonna have him sit down because he got tased 3 times, and he's a little. He got checked out though and cleared by the ammo.
Can you put your handcuffs in the front? And just handcuff-
They're about to come off in a second.
I'm gonna bring you up over here so I can search and I'll take them off you, okay?
Okay, just let me sit down. Let me sit down for a while.
Yeah, he took a bit.
Yeah. Okay.
My head hurts.
I understand.
My head hurts.
What began as a stop related to a minor traffic warrant ultimately escalated into a much more serious incident. Investigators say the suspect's actions during the encounter resulted in multiple felony charges, including attempting to disarm a police officer, aggravated resisting arrest, aggravated assault on a police officer, and battery.